how to buy KEKIUS Maximus token on the Uniswap version 3. Now to be able to do that, open this token in CoinGisco as you can see. Now click on markets from here. As you can see, you will see here the Uniswap version 3. Now click on it and it will redirect you to Uniswap website to be able to buy it. Now as you can see, the first of all you need to do is just connect your wallet. So if you have any of these, just connect your wallet. For this I will use the Bitkit wallet as you can see, and now click on connect. And now as you can see, your wallet is connected successfully. Now here select the token. I will select for example USDT. Now as you can see, this USDT Tether. Now click on it and now type here how much you want to buy, as you can see, and this is how much you will receive. Because I don't have any USDT on my wallet, I can be able to see here how the buy or swap option. Now for here, as you can see, 1 KEKIUS it's equal 0.1928 USDT. If you click on it, as you can see, you will see here a much more information. Now what you need to do is by going to your Bitkit wallet and fill or add the USDT on your Bitkit to be able to buy this token on Uniswap version 3. So this is how to buy the KEKIUS Maximus token on Uniswap version 3. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.